walked into her eye.
300 points. She was walking as if she's walking. You know, like how terrorists walk now with one bomb. So just finished early morning workout session. It's a Saturday. Saturday no workout ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ boys. So it's a good sign. They're interested in working out. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Good morning. I'll see you guys in the next clip. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕನ್ ತಿಂತಾನಂತೆ.
ಬರೀ ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಲ್ಲ.
1 kg ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಂಗ.
ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾವು.
Indu, it's been so long. You have not come on SRP vlogs. How are you feeling, Indu? How was your Electronic City trip?
Trip was good. Now I'm very uncomfortable. Please take it away from me.
So why are you covering your face? Why are you covering your eyes, Indu?
If I don't cover my eyes, I will see you. That is why.
What, Indu? You're giving me treat to delete the video. ಹಾಯ್ ಟೇಸನ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ, ಅವ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಇದು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿ ಅವನ್ನ. ಟೇಸನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊ ಟೇಸನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಎತ್ಕೋ. ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಮುಟ್ಟೆ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿಗೂ ಕರುಳು ಹೇರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಗೇರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಂತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ನಿಮಿಷದಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಾಕಲ್ಲು.
FYI, I'm not pregnant. Stop asking people if I'm pregnant.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Bye son, see you. Hey, what's the plan, man? Where are you taking us? Laser tag.
ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಶುಭಾಗ್ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ವಾ.
Finally, with some great difficulty, we parked the car here. ಫುಲ್ಲು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗು. ಸೂಪರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಮದು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಾ. ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ತಲಪಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು. ಅದು ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 1957. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಳು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಬೇಕು. ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೇರ್, ಲೂಸ್ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್. Today is very
Zumba chutney and socks till here and shoes. I don't come like that. I'm not pregnant.
That's the only dialogue she's telling from that time.
166.
Vinesh, don't tell me. Vinay, that. I have to cut that part now. This one. First of all, people are using my number to give it to nursery and RSS and all.
No, not RSS. I gave you number RSS.
Art of Living. Yeah, so Vinay doesn't like spicy things. I've ordered one paneer tikka for him. Chilli paneer. It'll be fun, Vinay, to see you watch and sweat and eat. I think this is paneer.
No, that's chicken.
No, Vinay, this is paneer. Try it.
Sure.
You have it, Vinay.
It's chicken, sure.
It is 300 rupees. And for that, chicken?
What is that chicken?
Palapuli chicken or something. I forgot the name only.
That empire still there, no? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಬೌಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಾನೇ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸಲ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೀ ರೈಸ್ and butter chicken. And Vinay, what you eat, Vinay?
Tandoori
Dal
chicken.
and roti.
There it started, achieved cult status and customers said
No, it started
listing
there.
it as there. Founder Thiru Nagaswamy started Anand Vilas in 1957 with a unique flavored biryani. Then comes this customers figured it out as Dindigal Talpagatti biryani. And Grandjan joined. Then makes international foray with restaurants in Paris. Oh, Paris, you know, oh my god. Opens first restaurant in USA. Opens 50th branch in Karnataka. Then they open 62 years.
Oh my god, is that it?
See how he's giving growth. Give him 3 rupees. Nice salesman, dude. Following you like crazy. No, he's not going to take it back. Ghee rice, butter chicken, roti, dal. What when it's so boring stuff you eat.
Sorry, Shubhagan.
The building, the grid, laser tag, bowling, VR. ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆಯಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು. So this is how the place looks. This is the bowling area and inside there is laser tag. Yes. ಏನ್ ಮದು ಫುಲ್ ಲೈಟ್
Not pregnant.
He's been telling that only. Turn face to. Look at this. Wow, man. Gonna be fun. Whoa. I will shoot you guys first. Get ready. Get ready, Madhu. Vinay. Vinay was cheating when we three were playing. He was coming and eating
Yeah, he was cheating.
behind.
And all the time. You know how to attack.
You should always fight like a man in front,
Come on.
not like from behind, like an enemy. You are an enemy, you know.
What, Shubhagan?
That's what you did.
See, I fought well. I looked into her eye. Every
300
time.
points. She was walking as if she's walking. You know, like how terrorists walk now with one bomb.
What?
Yeah. Side is. Take this, Vinay. Chicken sausage.
Shubhagan, I'm a vegetarian, Shubhagan.
If there's some sweet, I'll take. Okay, such a nice place, dude. This is in Kormangla. Chai Days anta. Super ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Lovely place. Hashtag Chai Nation. Chai Days.
That's even better.
You want a trophy? This has boba in it.
It does?
Yeah, it does.
What boba? Boba.
Sure, I'll give you boba tea tomorrow. But is there boba in it? How is it? It's too sweet.
I'm not pregnant.
Full singer feels. It's raining like crazy. Just dropped Vinay and Madhu. I'm going back home. ಯಪ್ಪ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಳೆನಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ ಗುರು ಮಳೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ